Cherry Hill 3577 gets grounded.
Cherry Hill 3577 sneezes on the teacher.
Enjoy the show.
Okay class. Today is Frisky Day.
Ugh, why Frisky Day?
Because it is frisky, Nico.
I feel like I'm about to sneeze.
Nico, you don't sneeze on me. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
Okay,
So what landed you to my office this time?
I sneezed on my teacher.
Nico. You don't sneeze on your teacher. You cold single quote made your teacher sick. That's it. Go home now while I call your parents. When Cherry Hill 3577 got home.
Nico, how dare you sneeze on your teacher? You know it's disgusting and you could have gotten your own teacher sick. That's it. You are grounded for 30 million years. Go to your room now.
That's the end of the video.
We hope you liked the video.
Like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new videos in this channel. Bye.
The end.